guys, how you doing? It's me, Amber, and welcome back to my skincare video, guys. Today I do have video about skincare tips you have never heard. Maybe you know some, but maybe you don't know some, and I want to help you. And for that help, I just ask you to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Let's jump into this video right away. First tip is apply. I have a script, by the way, because sometimes I can't just remember. I'm getting old. Apply serums, creams, any treatments, especially expensive products, right away when you shower or when you lay down in the tub or after sauna. Because right after the shower, especially if you take warm showers, I tend to take cold showers, very rarely I take hot showers. But if you take hot shower and once you get out from the shower, you don't want to completely dry off your skin with a towel. You want to apply your expensive serums, whatever you have. Like you want to apply right away, even your skin is still wet, it's still damp. You apply, and then you know why it's so amazing, because your skin is like a sponge right after the shower. It's absorbing everything, and I'm so excited because your skin absorbs everything, and it goes so deep into your skin cells and nourishes and beautifies your skin. Is so much better than applying your skincare product after like 1 hour or 2 hours after the shower. So at night, this is amazing tip. I've been doing this for years. Apply your skincare products, especially rich skincare products, on the skin right away after the shower. Maybe you're gonna like that tip. Try and let me know. Keep your cosmetics away from the bathroom for 2 reasons. Heat can make your skincare oxidize, so you're going to prolong the beauty benefits of the skincare product. Number 2 reason, when you are in the bathroom, most of the people in the bathroom everywhere, they have a toilet. And when you flush the toilet, basically every single time you flush the toilet, the bacteria spreads away everywhere. Not only on your toothbrush, on your expensive skincare, on your expensive makeup, on your expensive makeup brushes, and everywhere. Imagine like bacteria is everywhere. So keep away your cosmetic products. We don't see this bacteria with the human eye, but the microscopes do see, and this is true unless you actually basically clean your bathroom and disinfect every single day. I don't know, maybe you're rich, maybe you have a cleaning lady that cleans your bathrooms every single day, then it's fine maybe, but still for the heat reason, I wouldn't keep my cosmetic products in the bathroom. Or if you have bathroom and you have cosmetic fridge, then it's fine. Tip number 3 you never heard is no need to cleanse your face in the morning. Only cleanse at night and do double cleanse. This is, I know you're gonna think that I'm crazy. And first time I remember I watched YouTube video of some Tina tries it, I think, Tina Young YouTuber, that she's from, I don't know, Japan or something like this. I think she lives in USA, but I'm not sure, but she speaks English. And she was telling how her skin changed after she started do not wash skin in the morning and wash his skin at night only. And I was thinking, this is so nuts, this is so crazy. And then more I started following like Japanese, Korean, Asian women skincare regime, and I was like most of the people in Asia, they don't wash their skin in the morning. And I was like, that doesn't make sense, because here in Western culture we overwash our skin. Some people wash their skin like 3 times, over stripping, over exfoliating and stuff like this. So you know, I never give tip for you guys if I don't try myself. So I did try, and since the moment I try do not wash my skin in the morning and wash only twice at night, I still doing this. I've been doing this for 2 years. Let me tell you what happened. My skin became normal. Before I had the oily skin. Right now my skin normal towards combination, but my skin is normal. I'm not oily. If you're gonna come back 3 years in my YouTube videos, you can see that my skin is oily, shiny, and I actually had a lot of makeup because my oily skin was like just like a freaking oil. So normalizes the skin. Second reason is getting rid of acne. When you're not overstripping your skin, you're not gonna damage your skin barrier, which is protective barrier, which producing oil. We have to have a normal healthy amount of oil on the skin in order to prevent. Oil is make skin acid, and acidity actually prevents from bacteria, from viruses. When we destroy this oil barrier, our skin is no more acid, and then we get acne. If that makes sense, please leave me a like. And that's it, guys, for today for this video. If you have any more tips, please leave me down below. If you have any questions, leave a question down below. I'm gonna be happy to answer. I love you guys so much. Bye. Apply your rich serums that